Long Beach City College is transitioning to Degree Planner and will discontinue the old My Educational Plan tool on your Viking portal. Degree Planner is an online academic planning tool that helps students and counselors see what courses and requirements students need to graduate. As courses are completed, Degree Planner will adjust and reflect missing requirements and help students stay on track and plan for graduation. Here are a couple important reminders about Degree Planner. Degree Planner should not be used as a replacement for academic counseling, nor does it replace the LBCC catalog. The Degree Planner audit is not an academic transcript or official notification of degree completion. And lastly, we still encourage you to meet with a counselor regularly and to log into Degree Planner once a semester. When you log into Degree Planner, you will find your name at the top corner along with your major that you decided on with your counselor. If you have not met with your counselor, it is highly encouraged that you do before you continue. Below, you will find information about your current overall progress, past courses, and the current and upcoming semesters. When you complete a semester, the classes in that semester will be removed from this list as Degree Planner updates your progress. Degree Planner will focus on the classes you are currently enrolled in and classes you still need as planned courses. There are two methods to view planned courses. Method 1, expand all. Method 2, print path. Click the Path Actions button in the upper right-hand corner and select Print. The Print Path option creates a print-ready version. To check your requirements for an associate's degree or certificate, you can visit our online catalog page and find your program. First, click on LBCC College Catalog, then Degrees or Certificates, then find your major, then select Programs and select your desired program, then select Program Requirements. The requirements here will be reflected in your Degree Planner for you to map out your plan. Most degree templates will include all required courses in Degree Planner right away. However, some degree templates require a choice selection, which is displayed as unplanned requirements instead of a specific semester. To select a course for an option, you must first find your selected option. The course or requirement is placed in the semester after selecting the option choice. Selecting an option prompts Degree Planner to add the appropriate course within a semester. Remember, only some majors require this selection while others are automatically mapped out. As your semester progresses, you'll be able to see your enrolled classes with the green checkmark in that current semester, while your previous classes will be moved to past courses, keeping your educational plan updated. You can also view your course details here if you are enrolled. Degree Planner defaults to 16 or more units per semester. To change units, click on the pencil in the Max Units window, adjust units, and select Save. Degree Planner automatically adjusts to accommodate the semester change. To prevent Degree Planner from adding additional courses, update the maximum number of semester units. When moving courses, review course messages that might pop up regarding a prerequisite that needs to be satisfied before enrolling in that course. For this example, you'll see a warning message about two math classes that follow a specific sequence, so Math 50 must first be completed before enrolling into Math 60. Now let's discuss how to move a course. Find a course or requirement you want to move. Then, click the three dots, then select Move. Then choose your semester. You can also drag and drop one course at a time. Lastly, you can move classes from an unplanned semester. To do this, adjust your term units to 0 to move courses out of the semester into unplanned requirements that reflects at the top. From here, drag and drop courses or move them. When a course or requirement is moved to a new term, it becomes locked in that term. Once you move a course or requirement to a new term, the system automatically locks it. A lock prevents the system from moving the course or requirement when your plan refreshes. Click on the lock icon to lock or unlock a course requirement. When planning a semester, lock courses you intend to keep and move unwanted courses out. Locked courses are still in place until Degree Planner refreshes and adjusts when registration reopens for the following term. Degree Planner includes GE requirement listings and displays the appropriate GE areas that align for that degree template. GE courses are selected by clicking the Select Course button. A complete course description appears for each course, and open sections are selected and added to the shopping cart. When selecting GE classes, prioritize recommended courses shown with a green R.
It is important to read the counseling notes that were provided to you by your counselor since they are specific to your completion path.
The best way to view notes is by selecting the print option. Degree planner notes are visible to students and all counselors. There are 3 types of notes to view. Path notes appear on the print path below the remaining requirements. Path notes are notes created about your overall program educational plan. Term notes appear below path notes. Term notes are notes created about a specific semester. Requirement notes reflects below term notes in the print view. Requirement notes are notes created about a specific class.
Please remember that Degree Planner is not a replacement for academic counseling, a catalog, an academic transcript, or an official notification of degree completion. So please see your counselor to ensure you are on the right path to completion. And for further information about college, ask your counselor about taking Counseling 1.